Hello, I'm Nico Suarez, tech support for Roland rAVe in Europe, and we are here in ISE 2020 introducing our V-8HD. The V-8HD is a 8-channel video mixer. It has 8 HDMI inputs in the back. You can also load up to 8 different still images from the USB memory, and you can mix these 8 channels very seamlessly using the T-bar or just straight into the cut. On the composition level, you have 2 picture-in-pictures that you can straight load into your program. You can select the source that is assigned to those picture-in-pictures in this row of buttons up here. Also has an auxiliary bus and a DSK, so it will help you to do all your corporate events and all the events that require to mix some HDMI video sources, and we are introducing a couple extra things around this product. One of them is an iPad application that you will connect through the cable, and you will be able to control all the audio specs, or you will be able to play with all the video sources. And also we are doing some alliances with some other brands like Atomos, and we are able to trigger the recording of some external recorders or cameras from the unit, so I can just put all my cameras and recorders to record at the same time. If you need more information, go to our website roland.com. Thank you for watching.